Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about which one is better, Revolut or Monzo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Revolut and Monzo are both popular digital banks, but they serve slightly different purposes. The best one for you depends on your needs. So Revolut is ideal for those who travel frequently, offering multi-currency accounts, low foreign exchange fees, and support for international payments in over 30 countries. It also provides additional features like stock and crypto trading, making it a versatile financial tool. However, it lacks overdrafts and FSCS protection, which may be a drawback for some users. On the other hand, Monzo is suited for everyday banking in the UK with strong budgeting tools, savings features, and access to overdrafts and loans. It offers FSCS protection up to £85,000, making it a more secure option for storing large sums of money. While Monzo is great for budgeting and salary management, it lacks Revolut's global financial flexibility and investment options. Ultimately, if you need a bank for everyday UK used with strong financial security, Monzo is a better choice. But if you frequently travel, require international transfers, or want to invest in stocks and crypto, Revolut is the way to go.